Guys, today I'm here in front of my window with the best light I can have ever, just to show you guys four different systems from LaVivid. I want to compare them, but I want to focus in this one. This is the Tyler system. I just got this system from LaVivid. I still didn't wash. I still didn't cut this system. It's brand new. So last week I showed you guys this system. It's incredible. For me, it's the best system that LaVivid produced so far. And I want to compare the bases. Those two are all really old systems that I have, but they all have different bases. And I want to compare with you guys why this Tyler system is, in my opinion, the best system that LaVivid ever made. So first of all, this one is a European hair. So you see, like, it's more straight hair. It's not, you don't have like waves like this one, like that. The others, you are really straight hair. And this one, the base is a 8 millimeters PU. Okay, so it's considered like a little thick if you want to have a natural light front line. But this is one of the systems. So these other two here, they are really old systems that I have. So don't consider like the quality of the hair anymore, because they are like used for months and months, and I used to learn things, to whatever. So don't consider the hair, just consider the base. Okay, so this one here, it's a 0, you see, like, it's all damaged. This is a 0.02, 0.01 PU. So you see, it's really thin, it's really elastic, completely different of the other one that is 0.8. This is 0.02. So it's really thin, it's really more delicate. And this other system here is a PU, you see, with a lace. So it's a completely different base as well. This is really old, as I told you guys. So I want to compare the difference of those three with this brand new technology from LaVivid. So first of all, let's start from this one. If you guys can have a zoom in here, when you look, the hair looks really natural, right? Looks really nice, looks really amazing. But look, every time the hair goes to the same direction. It's really hard to brush this kind of system because the hairs always go to the same direction. So what I want to compare is, if you look like really close, let me try to focus in here. The hair, it's kind of, they place the hair straight, like glued, and then comes out. So when you come here, a system like this, you see that the hair goes like to the front and make a movement according to what I brush. But you always gonna have the same direction, and the system always gonna show to the same direction. That's not bad. I'm not saying this is bad. This is really good. I love the way they produce everything. But I want to just compare how the system used to be made. So you see, like, go straight and then the hair goes away. So if you try to brush to one side, it's gonna come back. If you do that in the front, always gonna come back. So you can see right here where my finger is. You have all the hairs coming from one side and they go straight around. So have the same position. You see, it goes to all the same position all the time. Now it's really good. But with the time, when the system start losing hair, you're gonna start seeing a lot little dots that the hair broke, or the hair got like an open spot. And this is a kind of thing that if someone come and look from the top of your system, they might notice you have something, but they might not. So it's just one thing that is different from the Tyler one, and I want to show why. So the second system, don't consider the quality of this hair, because as I told you before, this is a really bad system, really old system. So here I have the same thing. Look, the hair comes and he goes around. So you see, I can see where the hair starts, because I know he starts from here and then he's kind of glued in here and then he goes up. So you see, like here, I lost a lot of hair in this system. So you see all these dots. If someone come from the top of your hair, they can see those little dots and where the hair was coming from. So the same thing happens with this one, because this is a 8 millimeters and this is a 2 millimeters. So they both have the same kind of thing. It's not bad because technically you're not gonna have anybody like so close to your head, but it's something to consider, okay? The other thing is about a lace, okay? This is a lace system. Don't consider the quality of the hair because this is a really old one. But look, the lace, you always can see the lace. That's the problem with the lace. You always can see the lace if you come close. It's not something that I consider really bad, but it's easier to see that you have a lace than seeing that you have a PU. So with the time, the lace start getting dark or dirty, and some glue start getting on the lace. So it's gonna start getting more visible. So the lace start getting more visible with the time. So those three are three different systems and they are all good. I really like, has no complaint, but I just wanna show how LaVivid is doing something really new and something really like innovative. So it's gonna be nice for everybody. So first of all, this Tyler system is made with silk in the top. So all this area here is silk. What is something that I never saw before, and I told you guys in the last video how incredible it looks. But I want to try to go even closer here. You see the base, you don't see where the hair is coming from. You know that it's like burning in here, but you don't have the glue that I comment in the other one. You don't have like the direction that I comment in the other one. So this makes everything looks so more natural. So you see here, look, I'm trying to move the hair and you have movements. You see this? You have movements. And the other one, remember the system I showed you guys, the hair like goes to one side and then goes out. This one, if you see like really close here, doesn't have it. You don't have it. Let me try to show another position. So here, when I get a portion of the hair and I move like this, let me try to get a video. You see, the hair, they come straight. They don't like comes to like side and go up. They just like, let me see if I can focus in here. So you see, it's like has movements. So let me try to get this one here. You see, like he comes naturally and I can move this there to the front, to the side. I'm trying to get a little portion so you guys can see. You see, it's not like coming from the side, comes from the bottom to the top. So I can move, I have movements. Can you understand what I'm saying? Look here, another one. You see, the hair is free in the head. So that happens everywhere, not just in the division. So you guys can see here, look, I just placed the hair to the side and you see how natural this is. You see like the hair, he has movements and the movements go and you cannot see where the hair is coming from. Looks like he naturally came out from the head. You see like a little close in here. This is fantastic. This is like really insane. So just to finish, remembering again, this system as well has like many layers under the silk. So that makes everything so much more natural. You have PU around and lace in the front. So yeah, definitely this is my new favorite system from LaVivid. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I helped you guys in some way.